You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word. This one, it's Portuguese, the word for skull in Portuguese, alright? So if you want to learn how to say the name of the Rainbow Six Siege character, you have to learn how to say it in Portuguese, alright? So let's hear it. Caveira is how the Portuguese would say it. Caveira, alright? So we're not necessarily Portuguese here. So if you want to say it in English and being close enough, Caveira, okay? Caveira, it's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.